my channel, Tomcat Stitchery. I'm Whitney, and today I've got a tutorial for you. I am in the middle of doing my little mini fall, the last of my mini little fall and winter wardrobes, and it is using Closet Case patterns. And I was really in the mood to do another refashion. So if you recall, in the Sew Over It Work to Weekend little mini capsule, I refashioned a men's sweater from like a gigantic men's sweater into the Edie top. So I kind of wanted to do something similar. So I went down into my stash of thrifted items that I kind of keep in a bucket in my in my sewing room. And for reference, I will go thrift shopping and stuff with my friends. And I usually like to hit up the half price day at Goodwill because I could be cheaper, I don't know. So I'm pretty sure, I think the price tag on this shirt was $4.99, but I'm pretty sure I probably paid $2.50 for it. So when I'm going thrifting, I'm looking for fabric, basically. So I'm shopping in the larger sizes, which is why I love like the men's like XXX, XXX sizes. I'll go over there and look. But a lot of times, even in the ladies section, in sizes that are, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 sizes bigger than what I normally wear, I can find some nice fabrics, and I'll grab those as well. So I will pop a picture. I'm just gonna do a little video tutorial at the end, and I'll put a picture of the before of the shirt. It is literally the world's worst picture of me, the shirt. And I think my camera took a whole bunch of bursts when I was taking pictures of it. And so I was trying to delete what I thought were all of the same picture, and I think I deleted maybe the picture that was actually the good one. Anyway, this is all I have left of what the shirt looked like before. So we're gonna just have to roll with it. And, oops, sorry, and excuse my expression. But anyway, I'll pop a picture of that at the beginning before I do the little tutorial. So I am gonna pop some video of me prancing around in this top as I'm talking. And it is a little wrinkled, and I apologize, but I'm a little pressed for time at the moment. So sorry. Pretend that it's nice and steamed, because I actually washed it after I made it. I washed all my silk. So anyway, this was a silk blouse in this dark hot pink color. It was way too big, as you can see. You'll be able to see here in a minute in the picture, like the sleeves are way too long. It was ill-fitting on me and everything. And I took the Kalle shirt dress pattern, the cropped shirt, and I actually lengthened it by 2 inches because I didn't really want cropped. But I did want like a shorter shirt, and I loved that kind of the less exaggerated high-low hem. So I will show you in a minute how I cut apart minimal cutting. This project really took, I don't know, maybe 2 hours. Minimal cutting of the shirt. Then I recut out the Kalle, kind of, just the side seams, the armhole, and the hem. And then I hemmed the top, and again, I talk about this in the tutorial more, but I hemmed both the front and the back separately because there's a split hem. And then I hemmed the shirt up into like the dolman sleeve, and then I used the leftover sleeve pieces that I had cut off when I was cutting the pattern out, and cut out my sleeve cuffs for that. And I talk all about that in the tutorial that you're gonna see here in a minute. So hopefully you've seen me kind of in action in the shirt, twirling and prancing around. It really turned out well and just how I had envisioned. And this is gonna get, I've made the Kalle before and I wasn't crazy. I did a lot of tweaking to it and I wasn't crazy at the end result. Although I put that back on just the other day when I was going through some of my like mending pile. And I think I can just adjust the hem a little bit and it'll be wearable as a top now. So anyway, that'll happen in the spring though. But yes, so I'm very happy with how this turned out. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Hit that subscribe button because I got another hack coming up for the Closet Case little mini capsule. And then the lookbook will be coming up here pretty soon because I'm almost finished with all my pieces. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of that. And enjoy the tutorial, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.